Well, good morning everybody, welcome to another Prep and Adventures video. It's the first week of October 2021. We're just heading down to the coast to have a fly of the drones. It's quite foggy today, some places it's really blanketed in it, but along here isn't too bad. So we're just going to head over there and then cross over to the coastal path over there. We're down at Kilve, so we're going to fly the drone, get down there, fly the drone, get a few coastal views with it. And we're just walking at the edge of this woods at the moment. Just stopped for some ice cream. I got mint chocolate chip. And Ryan has got, what have you got?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Just down here. That's a Kilve beach. distance. Quite a lot of planes flying around today. Things must be getting back to normal. Right, we're going to head over that way and have another go at flying a drone. Sea's very calm today. Alright, but this is the busy bit of the beach. We'll move further on away from that. That's the drone finished for today. So put this away and we'll head on back. Well, we're finished flying the drone. We're heading back to the car. We're on the path. It's a nice sunny day. We haven't had any rain for 4 or 5 days, but last week there was a lot of heavy rain. And now take a look at the path. The path's been perfect till you get to this spot. Sometimes though, you just gotta get on with it. Now the worst bit here. Sorted. Well, we just got back to where we parked the car at East Quantoxhead. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.